How to deliver Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can basically deliver Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to deliver on Uber Eats, you have to sign up as a Uber Eats delivery driver, and to do that you'll have to download this application called Uber Driver Drive and Deliver. Now once you make sure to download this application, you have to open it up and log into your normal Uber account. Then it will ask you for a couple of information such as what do you want to do, right? So over here you have this information to fill out, so you need to make sure to have this so that Uber can verify your details. The first is your profile photo, which is recommended next step. Then after that you have to simply make sure to go ahead and then basically select your driving license. Once you select your driving license, you can select a vehicle insurance. Once you take a picture of all those, you'll be able to deliver for Uber Eats if Uber Eats verifies that you are a real person and that you're valid and eligible to ride. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.